The future is weirder, wilder, and way more mind-blowing than you ever imagined. And it's not just about making our life easier. It's about redefining what's possible. If you're now ready to dive into the tech that'll make your brain explode, just stay tuned because the future is about to get seriously freaky. Welcome to TechTube. Cryptide Sneaker. Unveiling the future of footwear with the Cryptide 3D printed sneakers. Designed by Stefan Henrik for Sintratech, these shoes are the future of comfort and customization. The Cryptide sneaker is a marvel of 3D printing technology. Using a Sintratech S2 System 3D printer, these shoes are crafted with a flexible TPE material, making them both soft and durable. The unique open design of the sole, made possible by selective laser sintering, gives the sneakers a distinctive look. For a price point of $150, you can step into the world of Cryptide and experience comfort like never before. Padrone. Redefining pointing with the power of your fingers with the Padrone ring. The Padrone ring is not just any ring. It's the coolest mouse replacement that transforms your fingers into the ultimate pointing device. No more conventional mouse because this sleek ring brings a touch of magic to your workspace. Its starting price is $259, and the first limited edition is set to ship this 2024. So how does it work? The Padrone connects to your computer via Bluetooth. No need for complicated installations. Just slide it on your finger, connect, and voila! It's like having a touchpad on your laptop, but you can use it on any surface. Your desk, your lap, you name it. M-Vision. Leap into the future of smart mobility. Introducing M-Vision by Hyundai Mobis. M-Vision is a big leap into the era of smart mobility, bringing together cutting-edge software and hardware to redefine our driving experience. What makes M-Vision stand out? Well, it's not just about the sleek design or flashy features. It's about the commitment to sustainability. Hyundai Mobis is on a mission toward a green transformation, aiming for net zero emissions by 2045. That's not just a promise, but it's also a roadmap to a cleaner and greener future. ElonRoad. Paving the way for electric dreams with an electrifying innovation, the ElonRoad. This isn't just about electric cars, it's about charging them while you drive or park. ElonRoad will give you the freedom and flexibility to charge your electric vehicle on the go or while it's parked. It delivers a digitalized conductive charging solution for EVs that works seamlessly, no matter what vehicle you drive. For starters, it's not only good for the planet, but also your wallet. With ElonRoad, you can enjoy a 25 to 40% reduction in total cost of ownership, and it decreases CO2 impact by 40%. ElonRoad is also future-proof. It's vehicle agnostic and can be retrofitted, ready for the rise of autonomous vehicles. Plus, it's modular and upgradable, ensuring it keeps up with the ever-evolving world of electric transportation. Gove. The sky's the limit with Gove Flying Car. At GAC Technology Day, Gove made its grand entrance, not just on the road, but in the sky. That's right, it's a flying car. On the road, Gove is a sleek four-wheeled vehicle, but when things get congested, the magic happens. The cockpit gracefully lifts off the chassis, soaring into the air, leaving the grounded chassis to navigate autonomously to a nearby parking spot. And here's the cool part. Before landing, Gove does a mid-air docking with the chassis, transforming it back into a car. Why does separation matter? It's not just for show. It tackles the challenges of weight, energy consumption, and wind resistance faced by traditional flying cars. Safety, reliability, and comfort are at the forefront of Gove's flying experience. Agrist. Revolutionizing agriculture with robots through Agrist, the pioneers of AI agriculture. Agrist's mission is crystal clear. They're on a quest to solve agricultural challenges using cutting-edge technology. They wanted to contribute to the well-being of humankind and ensure sustainable farming for the next 100 years. Why robots? Because Agrist knows the real challenges faced by farmers, the shortage of harvesters. By developing state-of-the-art robots, Agrist aims to tackle this issue and pave the way for sustainable agriculture. They're on a mission to contribute to global well-being by leveraging their experience and data to solve food issues worldwide. And they're doing it the Agrist way, with a mission to change the world. Samsung Flex. Bending the boundaries of what displays can do with the Samsung Flex Hybrid. Samsung has taken the wraps off its groundbreaking Flex Hybrid OLED at CES 2023. And folks, this is not your ordinary screen. It's a display that's both foldable and slidable, bringing a whole new level of versatility. The Flex Hybrid can transform from a compact 10.5-inch screen to a spacious 12.4-inch screen. It's like having two displays in one. The left side uses foldable screen technology. On the right side, the screen is slidable, offering a seamless transition between different aspect ratios. Samsung Flex gives you the power to choose how you want to experience your content. Whether you're in the mood for a cozy display or craving the immersive experience, the Samsung Flex Hybrid has got you covered. M4 Drone. Meet the real-life transformer straight out of our sci-fi dreams, the M4 Drone. Developed by the brilliant minds at Caltech, the M4, short for Multimodal Mobility Morphobot, is a small four-wheeled wonder that flies, walks, stands, tumbles, you name it. The M4 can dynamically reconfigure its body to achieve 8 different types of motion. It's like having a robot that can do it all. From rolling on 4 wheels to standing on 2 wheels like a meerkat to get a better view. It uses artificial intelligence to assess its surroundings and smartly chooses the most effective way to move. It's like having a robot buddy that can adapt to any situation, just like animals in nature use their features for different purposes. Spacetop. Let's dive into the futuristic world of Spacetop, the laptop without a screen that's breaking all the rules. Developed by the innovative minds at Sightful, Spacetop is like no laptop you've seen before. Spacetop uses augmented reality glasses to project a virtual display right into the air. Sounds like something from the future, right? It's essentially the bottom half of a regular laptop, the part with the keyboard and trackpad, but with no monitor. When you slip on those AR glasses, voila! Your entire desktop appears right in front of you, suspended in thin air. It's like having an invisible laptop screen, and the AR glasses are your window to this virtual world. The best part? It's not some sci-fi dream. It's happening right now. Project Primrose. Here comes the dress of tomorrow. The Project Primrose, which is a work of art that can change its style in the blink of an eye. Project Primrose is not just about looking fabulous, it's about bringing fashion into the future. It's a dress that can change its design almost every second. Created with the creative minds at Adobe, this dress is made of special, flexible fabrics that can display all kinds of cool designs. And get this, those designs aren't just pictures, they can be animated too. But how does it work? There's a little button that lets you control the magic. Just give it a little press and the dress transforms, showing off new patterns and styles. That was a whirlwind tour of some seriously mind-bending inventions. We saw robots planting, cars flying, and one self-driving that never gets lost. Seriously, the future is looking pretty cool, wouldn't you say? Now feel free to smash that like button and let me know which invention you're most excited about in the comments below. Until then, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep it tech-tube.